Welcome to Sunset Motors. My name is Frank Gerard. It's a sharp 2009 Cadillac Escalade. This is the EXT. It's the truck version. It's probably the ultimate pickup truck. It's got all the comfort of any Cadillac vehicle, all packaged in a truck. It's 09 with 59,000 miles, low miles. It's got the towing package, backup sensors, backup camera. This one has a luxury package. It's just going to have the 22-inch chrome wheels with almost new tires. Got the HID headlights, heated cool seats. You name it, it's got it. Fog lights. Got your tow hooks, chrome grille. This truck is equipped with remote start. It's a neat feature. You push and hold this button here and it cranks it right up. That's handy in the summertime and winter. Gets the climate control going. It's got tinted windows. Got power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Got memory seat, power folding mirrors. Got nice leather seats in excellent condition. No sign of excessive wear. The heat and cool, that's what these little holes are for. Power seat, lumbar support on both sides. Got clean carpets and floor mats. Got your automatic headlights. Powered telescoping, well, this way and that way, electric. 59,277. Very classy display. Got Bluetooth you connect for your phone. There's all your audio control. There's a cruise control. It's even got heated steering wheel. That's crazy. There's your wiper control. Got a nice large touchscreen. AM/FM XM 6 CD changer. Does have navigation. It's all touchscreen. You can play a movie on the main screen while you're in park. It's got dual climate control. Passenger and driver have their own control. Adjustable power pedals. There's your cool seat control, heated seats. Cup holders. Got nice center console, good condition. Storage, more storage, another power outlet. Passenger seats nice and clean. Does have the power moonroof. Got the universal garage door opener, OnStar. Automatic dimming rearview mirror. The nice classic analog clock. Bose system. And this thing rides like any Denali, Yukon, or the full-size Escalade. You can't tell you're in a pickup truck. Got a nice roomy seat. These trucks will convert into open pickup. You can fold down the back seat, fold down this wall, and it's somewhat like a Jeep. I've never actually done it, but I've seen it done. This one has the TVs and a headrest. That's probably the biggest one I've ever seen. 8.8 inch screen. Shut the TV, the door, so we can see. There we go. This will be nice for the kids. Another audio control for the rear. And there's There's the other TV. I just turned it on. There's the headsets. Wireless headset. As you can see, it's nice and clean. Turn it off. Got nice chrome wheels. Got some good tires. Chrome gas flap. Get your tone package. Get the bed mat. That's nice. You can keep all your stuff secured and out of the weather. About a side toolbox. Pretty cool. And it's lockable. Same thing here. Power seat on this side, lumbar support. Total luxury. This is an easy color to keep clean. This is where it all happens. We got a 6.2 V8, 403 horse. Lots of power in this truck. You can tow just about anything. It is all-wheel drive. So it's a very capable machine, not just luxury. We do have very competitive financing available with low interest rate and good terms. To see if this Escalade is still for sale, go to my website, Sunsetmilan.com. It's on the website, it's for sale. If not, it's sold. You can call it anytime, toll free, 877-265-1679. We do offer worldwide shipping. If you're looking for the ultimate pickup truck in excellent condition, I believe you found it. Thank you for watching.